Hi, I'm Sindhu Ralapati. We have moved recently from another city to Chennai, and after coming to Chennai, I came to know that I'm conceived. Given a history of two miscarriages, I was searching for a good hospital and a good experienced doctor. So, where I have found, I always look for normal delivery also. So, where I found Rainbow Birthright. In that also, I was keen to go for Dr. Matangi, where I have seen her intro in the page of Rainbow Hospital. So I have consulted Matangi ma'am, and I have told my history and everything in the past. So she has suggested how to proceed in further. So given a few complications for me, I was in regular review with the doctor every month, and I was very impressed with the services which they are giving in the hospital. So whenever emergency happened, I tend to call to register on call, where they talk to Dr. Matangi and they come back to me. It was very helpful. As I said earlier, because of complications, Matangi ma'am has suggested us to go for labor in 36 after 36 weeks. So I was in labor around 36 weeks 4 days. So I was not sure whether I am going to have a normal delivery, but thank God, I'm very thankful to Dr. Matangi that she has tried for normal delivery for me, and I'm very very grateful for that matter, because everyone was surprised, because I was on complete bed rest for whole 6 months. Everyone was surprised when I am saying that I'm having a normal delivery. So that was a great experience. And after delivery also, each and every doctor has come and saw me and the baby, and they have guided us how to lactation, and the pediatrician and other doctors have come to the room, and they have guided us what to do and what not to do. I can name few nurses: Tangam, Manisha, or Rekha, the staff. So the housekeeping persons, they are really very helpful, because at the during time, it was a very intense pain for me. They helped me a lot. They have, whenever I call them, they came to me and they have consoled me, like, okay, you're going to labor in some few minutes, like that. They have given me positive vibes. And at the labor also, Matangi ma'am has given me very positive vibes during my delivery to baby, to give pushes to me, because it is my first baby. I am very much tense during that time. So it was a great experience. I have experienced the normal delivery which my mom has experienced, because nowadays I have seen my friends who has all C-section. Even though they didn't have any complications, they had the C-section. But really, it is it's a surprise for me also, for having the normal delivery by all the God's grace, and the experience at Matangi ma'am, I can say.
To add to Sindhu, because of her complications, so we were kind of prepared for C-section, and as per the scanning, everything was fine until 36 weeks, and we were in 37th week, and Matangi ma'am told us to come for delivery, so we were surprised. So it's not 40 weeks, but and everything is fine, then why she is calling us for early delivery? But because the baby's weight was already 3.5 kgs plus, and when she got delivered, baby's weight was 3.65. So getting normal delivery for 3.65 kg weight baby is quite surprising, and it's very difficult. What I heard from other people, that normal delivery happens only for the baby whose weight is less than 3 kg or less than 2.5 kg, like that. So we were all surprised, and we were very happy that even for 3.65 kgs baby, we had a normal delivery. Then after the delivery, we came to know why Matangi ma'am told us to come early and join immediately for the labor. So for which we were very thankful, and I told the same experience to my sister, brother. So everyone were very happy, and they also were very thankful to Dr. Matangi madam. because normally for 3.65 kg baby, doctor may suggest okay, the baby is already weight gained, so we'll go for C-section. But Matangi ma'am said she was confident, and we went for normal delivery. So for which everyone in our family are thankful to her.
Yeah, I need to say thanks to each and everyone, starting with Mathingi ma'am, Vidya Murthy, who has done scans for me every month, and definitely I'll refer Rainbow Hospital to the to the new moms, or the one who is going to have baby, or who is thinking to go for. Who is thinking to have baby. So everyone, to everyone, I'll definitely suggest Rainbow. Yeah, thank you.